Shalom and welcome to this new video. So in this new video I will be showing you a very beautiful app on which you can get all of your favorite shows and movies on. Everything that is on Netflix is basically on this app, and you can get everything over here. Okay, yeah, everything is here. Everything that you want to see, everything that you want to watch is here. So first thing you need to do is you need to subscribe to my channel for more amazing updates like this, and then the next thing you need to do is to like this video. So now the third thing that you need to do is you go into the description of this video and you will see a link that when you tap on it, it will take you to where you can download this app. The app, I've posted the app in my Telegram channel, so you just subscribe to my channel and then you would now be able to get this app. It will take you directly to this file here. The name of the app is over here on stream. Okay, so you just tap on it. You first download it. After downloading it, you tap on it, then you tap on packaging. Then you can choose to select just once or always. That one depends on you. So you tap on install the app to install it. Okay, so you wait for it to finish installing. So now when it's done installing, you can just tap on open, or you will see the app on your home page. Okay, yeah. So let me just alright. So if you are facing any issue with the installation, or there is any issue you faced along the way, you can still go into the description. You will find my number, the link to my WhatsApp DM over there. You can tap on it and to take it directly to my DM. Yes, so just like that, with this you don't really even need a Netflix subscription. Yeah, with this you don't really need a Netflix subscription. You can get everything over here. Okay, yeah, you can get everything over here. Yeah, for the sake of copyright, I'm not going to play any of these videos. Okay, but then it runs perfectly. You can even download the videos, though their download feature is not really reliable, and I really don't. It does well. Their download feature works, just that with the download feature, it doesn't download into your file manager. It downloads inside the app, just like the way Netflix works. But then that aside, it's a 10 over 10 app. Yeah, it's a 10 over 10 app. So like I said, first thing you need to do is to subscribe to my channel for more amazing contents like this. Like this video, and then you proceed on with the other steps. So thank you for staying throughout this video, and I will be looking forward to seeing you in my next video as my subscriber. Shalom and bye bye.